Do you know that there are some people who can make you reveal everything without ever asking you any direct questions? This is called elicitation. I'm sure you have experienced it, but without realizing it. Elicitation is the art of extracting information without asking any direct questions. It is used by intelligence agencies, top communicators, and also by negotiators. Most people want to give information because they want to feel connected, understood, important. So, my friends, the next time someone makes a conversation, pay attention. Do they really want to make a conversation, or do they want to extract some information from it?